Noba, be nice. Noba. He doesn't really seem that scared of you. Which seems pretty normal because you're very non-threatening. Look at you. You're just like giant fat body with a tiny beak. Oh, geez. It's like new guy, old angry guy, very calm guy. Are you being a bully, Noba? Let's not be a bully. Okay. Don't no, I didn't say go bully Carl. I'm glad you're eating. Oh my gosh, Noba, you're sharing. Oh look, he's holding on to it so you don't pull it away. It's like, this is my millet. Uh-oh. Are we all gonna share? What's gonna happen? Oh, I'm proud of you boys. Oh my God, are they all three of them? Look at this. Everyone gets along together when there's millet. Except for Noba. But he's not really that scared of you, Noba. Good.